before everything just went.
I didn't think I was gonna start this vlog like this. Wait, hold up. I think I was gonna start like the vlog like this, but what is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see right now, don't make it pop right now. But I am in the passenger seat, guys, and I have my girlfriend in the driver's seat. This is her first time driving the Supra since I think like before the crash and before it was all built up like the way it is. So I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a little nervous right now because she don't know how to drive a low car and I'm scared she's gonna scratch something. So we're gonna see what's up. We're gonna see what's up. Everything should be fine. We're driving to the movie theaters, so everything should be fine.
I don't even know how
we are good. That is not a good sign. Oh, you don't know how low the car is. What do you mean? Anyways, I appreciate y'all for coming back to another video though. Appreciate all the new subscribers, bro, for real. The last video kind of did very good. And as for an M2, we're gonna see. Right now we gotta hold off on it, but we will see.
It's exciting.
So we're definitely gonna see about an M2. I want to test drive one, so look out for a video on that. We're gonna test drive one. My cousin actually works at a BMW dealership, so I hit her up to see anything, and she said they might have one, but all the other ones are in transit. But I'm just trying to see one at least, and at least be able to test drive it so I can get the feel for it and see what, you know, the difference is and all that. Like, I know looks and everything like that is different, but I want to feel it, drive it, and do all that. But like I said, this is her first time driving it in a cool minute, new seats and everything. She could barely even look, bro. She's hunched over to see over. Like,
can you see over?
Yes.
It's because I need my seat lifted.
No, it's because I reclined the seats back now. They're not flat like they were. I hate being passenger, bro, just because I get like motion sickness and all that. And I just hate it. I did not expect this to like be the start of the vlog. I thought we were just gonna go watch the movie and all that. I wasn't even vlogging today. I wasn't even expecting to vlog today, honestly. But kept insisting and asking me like she wants to drive the Supra, and I've been pushing it off. Yeah, I've been pushing it off a lot. Yeah, so you know what? Why not? Let me drive it today on the way to the movie theaters. But we're actually gonna go eat pizza and then go watch our movie. We're actually gonna go watch Beetlejuice. If you guys haven't seen the first one, you guys are slacking. You guys need to go see the very first one. It is a funny, dope OG movie.
I haven't seen the first one. I swear.
Oh my god, why are we even seeing this movie if you haven't even seen the first one?
You wanted to see it.
Oh my god, guys. So many uncultured people. I'll probably switch over to this camera right now so you guys can probably get like a better wide angle view of the driving and all that. Bro, you better be careful.
I don't even know how wide this is.
Oh my god. This is why I'm nervous for her to drive it, bro.
I just want to get to the empty part so I can kind of like...
Bro, being passenger side makes me realize like a lot of people break their necks seeing this car. Like, seeing the Supra, like I've been looking and a lot of people be breaking their necks just to like look and shit. So it's pretty good. It's vlogging. Well, it's recording, but
He wants smoke! I kind of feel how you feel about the racing.
what?
Like when you see another car that's...
Oh, it's fast? Just want to race it? Recording in the Instago 3. I wonder how it would be.
He went around me because he wants to smoke!
It's a Hellcat.
My seat feels more comfortable than that seat.
Yeah? Well, it's probably because it's worn in. That's why. I be sitting that shit every day.
It feels like
I had
it just
that
hugs.
bike over there breaking his neck. I'm just getting lightheaded being here, bro. I'm like, damn, I get motion sickness so bad. Like, I hate being passenger. Especially in a small car. Especially in a small car, I get motion sickness so bad. And then her hitting the brakes all fucking time, it just doesn't help either.
Because I want to go. Just by that?
Yeah.
That little speed up?
like it.
We made it.
We made it in one piece. The Supra is okay, guys. The Supra is okay. But she's here in one piece. She looks good. Very nice. Very nice. But like I said, guys, I don't know if we trade this in for an M2. Do we do it? Ooh. A lot of M2 owners are telling me I should. A lot of you guys are highly suggesting that I should trade it in or get an M2 at least.
Get the M2 and give me
I wish I had that type of money. Yeah, bro, so far right now I'm enjoying the Supra. I'm liking it, but I'm just being that head ass where I want something new or something different, you know what I'm saying? But she looks good. I think I'm just like, I feel like I'm almost done with it, that I want to start another project. I think that's where like I'm at right now, but it's like, bro, I need to chill. I need to enjoy the Supra, get my funds up, and then we could talk about getting an M2. Oh, the fucking coincidences, dog. The coincidences. I swear to God. Guys, it's a sign I need one. Alright, so we came to this spot called Paxie's Pizza, and we just got our pizza, and damn, bro, this deep dish, bro, this is crazy. And this deep dish is a thick boy, you feel me? Sheesh. Why are you recording me? Alright, lighting is ass right now, but I've been grubbing on this pizza right now, and this shit is a bust. Oh my God, bro. Highly recommend. I just sat through the worst like 2 hours of traffic, bro, just to get to House of Power. So we're here at House of Power, where we're about to approach House of Power, because I need to install my crank vent. That's what is that what it's called? The crank ventilator pipe, some shit like that. I need to install because I've been needed to get it replaced for a while, and I just have yet to come all the way over here. But today is the day. We got to get it installed. We are pulling up now. Damn, this is loud as fuck. Sheesh. We are House of Power. We are here, and damn, bro, he's got some bills. Look right here, bro, exactly almost like George's, but with a satin PPF wrap, which is actually sick. On the TEs, 320, I think, what is that, 330i, I believe? Fast boys. And the House of Power fast boy, and then this fast boy. And that M3 right there, looking clean with the McLaren. Jeez, you got two of them. You got the orange one and this one. So we got the new McLaren up in here, bro. This is like the new one that just came out. This thing is crazy, especially in the orange. This shit is nice, bro. This color is sick. The wheels too. Jeez, the podiums, I believe. Yep, the podiums. Got this M4 with the sick ass lights. Bro, the bucket seats on here are so sick. Sheesh. So we got the intake removed. You got it all removed. And that's the part that I'm talking about. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like the crank base, crankcase and ventilator pipe thing. That's what it's called. I don't know. See, that's the broken piece. See? It didn't have no damn connection. That's what just kept holding us. It was leaking, but not much. And nothing was going into the intake because it's supposed to be connected to that. So we got some bad news, guys. Bad news for me. Drove 2 hours, find out that I have the wrong fucking part, bro. Or either they sent me the wrong part. I don't know, but we got the wrong one. We need one that just kind of has like one end to it. This has two ends, and yeah, kind of fucked up. And the shape is all wrong too. It just didn't fit right. So basically putting that little piece back in, put the butt plug on it. Yeah, I gotta order the new piece, and then we'll be back again some other time. But unfortunately, shit happens, bro. And you know, it's one of those things. Shout out to my boy, bro. He's fixing my exhaust right now. He's getting some bolt in because that shit was not on. I had a bolt in there. You guys can see right now how it's hanging because there's no bolt right there. But he's putting in one right now. I had one in there, but it shit just fell out because it's so tight to even tighten it. You can't even fit a tool in that little area. It's so hard, bro. And for the M2, we might get one, but I do want to wait for the X-Drive one. There is an all-wheel drive one coming out, so I kind of want to wait for that one and see what's up. Shout out to him for always taking care of me, though, bro. He a real one, no cap. This M4 sounds crazy. Man, this is his McLaren. House of Power. That's his. Octavio's. I actually thought he was younger than me. We're actually about the same age. He's a year older than me. He's 26. I'm 25. Damn, bro, what am I doing? Man, just kidding. What am I doing wrong? Should I open up a shop? I think I need to open up a shop or something, bro. Have my shop loaded like this. Then I could drive one of these. I'll be driving one of these if I own a shop. What do you guys think? Should I do it? Should I do it? They're getting lit over there. Hey, hey, hey. Fast boy. Get it fast. Y'all hear that turbo? That a Tomei dog? Close as fuck. Man, that's just loud. Fun fact, if y'all didn't know, I'm gonna show y'all. There's an M340i cover. It fits this. Wow, pa. Just how it should have came, bruh. Deadass. Imagine you pop open the hood on a Supra and you see this. That's funny. He's back. This fool forgot something. This would be funny though. I should get me a BMW one, huh? Oh, I should probably get George's. Look at this, man. Those go up. Those go up. Octavio on his little slight flex. 26-year-old, bro. 26 years old. Damn, bro. Hold up. Let me get to the back at least. Damn. God damn, that's just loud. Sick. Fucking loud too. 720S. Alright guys, we is out of here now. Shout out to the boy Jonathan in there for getting everything all nice and hooked up. Unfortunately, like I said, we couldn't install that damn piece or part that I needed to get installed because it was the wrong one. So I ordered the part already, so hopefully we get it within next week or the following. Hopefully we can do all this before Wreckfest. We is on the way home now. We got like an hour and a half drive, so hopefully we get no traffic. This is supposed to be the fastest route, supposed to be, so we'll see. Yeah, shout out to Octavio again for getting my exhaust right, bro, because that bolt was gone and it had my exhaust basically hanging. So good thing we got that all situated and fixed up, so we is good. Damn, bro, you can't see me. Oh, how is it that I always come across an M2, bro? Somehow, someway, I always come across one. You hear that? Oh, I want an M2 so bad. And there goes my hood thing. I gotta pull over and pop open the hood now. I was trying to pull up with the M2, bro. The M2 was pulling, bro. Oh, look at this sunset. Come on, man. It is beautiful. We're about to hit a tunnel right now, so we're about to give you some pops. No, we missed it. That one. Damn.